How to delete Gmail search history on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how to delete Gmail search history in just few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Gmail app and then on the top left you'll see three lines. Go ahead and tap on it and then scroll down and tap on settings. There, go ahead and tap on general settings. Then on the top right, you'll see three dots. Go ahead and tap on it. And there you'll find clear search history. Tap on it and then tap on clear. And that's it. Now your search history has been cleared. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.